Now that I've finished sinking all my points for my petal folds, what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece here, we're just going to take it and we're going to flip it over one. And actually, flip this side over one too. This is called a minor miracle. It's just a simple fold. I don't even know why they give it that name. But anyway, we're going to take this top piece, we're going to fold it like so, kind of giving it just a 90-degree angle here. Now what this is going to do is it's going to allow us to spread the leaves finally so this flower can start taking shape. So I'm going to take it, I'm just going to lay it down on that edge there, like so, and since this leaf is the first one that actually forms the bend, I'll bring it down. The next leaf will be this one. Now we want to try to keep these pieces here together as well as possible, as much as possible. And as we bring it down, you're going to have to kind of force it just a little bit, not too much. We don't want to rip our paper. Got a little bend up here that I don't need. This is where everything's going to start right here in our lily right there.